Hello everyone, love and back again, back with the one and all with Jan van Riebeeck Okwake. If you haven't subscribed, please do the right thing. Hit that subscribe button. We're trying to grow the channel. It's a different day, a different video. And today's is, Tony Daimani. He dropped an album, Big Boy 1, fire. I was a bit disappointed with Red October. But with this, Big Boy 2, man, my boy came back. This is the Tony Daimani I know. And this song we're reacting to is Gwedini featuring one of the best South African musicians. I wouldn't say rap, musician. Anathi. Electronic Bushman. With this song, Gwedini.
Bruh.
So let's go. Gwedini. Tony Daimani featuring Anathi. Oh, what's the goal? Once a nigga asks what's the goal, that means we outside, bro. We're ready to work.
Yeah. I'm waiting, and when they leave, and when they leave, I'm waiting, and when they leave, I'm waiting, and when they leave.
My boy Anathi on this one is sunning everyone. They are small boys to me. Once someone says Gwedini, we need to go outside, bro. We need to throw hands, dog. There's no other option.
And when they leave, and when they leave.
Rookie designer, I talk to these batters, I pull up on them, they like sight me. Niggas are talking like niggas are hoes, they're actually disgusting. The money, the clothes, the jewels, the booze is proof, we good, we sliding. Baddie, I keep my composure, look young mama, I'm definitely slicing.
This bad is so lucky I'm I'm definitely slicing.
Oh yes.
We're obvious. It's obvious. I'm definitely slicing. And it's a baddie, dog. Probably saw about it because what's his called? 20 times dating Yanda Woods. Yanda Woods is actually very pretty. And he did admit in the podcast that she's always had a crush on Tony Daimani. Now they're dating, so I think that's a reference to her. I was like, oh, we and Funa. Funa now.
So much true when I nazi. Keep in mind I'm my outie. Call me bro, as a lappy. I'm tiny. Got me. Getting rich and niggas catchy. All the zeros that I got in school, I spun. I said,
I caught you. Yeah. my boy is flexing right now. All the zeros that I got in school. Maybe he's saying I used to be dumb as fuck in school, or I didn't like school. All the zeros I used to get in school, now they're all in my account. How many zeros are they in his account? That will tell how bad he was doing in school. But look at him now. They're all in the account, in fact. Kalama million.
Kim K number bad. From Hollywood to MLS. Shubile man. Sabalash. Bag.
Excel. Shubile man.
I'm waiting, and when they leave, I'm waiting, and when.
My boy is saying from Hollywood to MLS. Siyabalaisha. Ibhaki. Mhlawumbe ibhaki kaLodzizi. Ngeyedwa uLodzizi endimaziyo olayisha ibhedi kwibhaki. So I don't know, man. I don't know if I'm wrong. Maybe I'm over exaggerating this line. But siyabalaisha.
And when they leave, and when they leave.
Okay, let's switch up
I'm pulling up in the ear, yeah, she popping the ear, I'm rocking the ear, not stopping the steer. Abona kushubele man, ihlozi livumele man, ihlozi livumele man.
Man, this is the Iyeza Anathi. This is the ears anathi 2 a.m. Awunantloni, hey man, awunantloni, seka kodwa awunantombi. Hi. This is the ears anathi, not the piano anathi. What is that? Oh, boom. Boom. Nah. We're talking about the peak anathi. The peak, that beat change, man. How
The cookie she
my boy
making
is
it
back.
crunch. You know what we're doing for lunch.
Okay.
Top
Captain.
like number 10 ukapteni. There's many things that
Okay.
I have on lock, but if flow iphume esandleni. At the top ingakho ngayifezi. At the top ngeke ngayitsheli. Gogo wami she praying for me ngaligcina nini ibhayibheli. Umndeni drop top imina no baby. Salute ngizenza usayitsheni. Ibetting funa empedeni ngihleli ngisestudio gotta go crazy.
Iflow iphume ehlanzeni. Iflow into yami, dog. That's what my boy is saying. That's what Tony is saying. Iflow into yami. Ubaby hleli uyangifuna ngiphi ngisestudio. Push machine. Studio, the push machine. I'm giving y'all all this work. Let's go, Tony.
Yeah, about to go stupid, about to go dumb, shit, man, I'm about to go crazy. This make back that regular Mercedes. I popped out the hop out the Matrix. Illuminati, illuminated.
Okay, I told them my pockets is racist. Okay, let's cover the basics. Let me down the
My boy is back. Peak Anati. This is what we needed in the game, bruv. Thank you, good Tony, for bringing back the real Anati. Ah, boom. I'm a dinner.
Lem dan de bottle till the time the club alleen maar. Voor New York Dubai, ik ga voor no goeie Cape Town. Op een man, maar zeg Cape Town. Maar ze kan, okay, tell me what you face now. Do my face now. Hey, don't end up in a case number.
Okay.
It's like
And my boy finished by saying, "Is lighty." This is small cats. What I said in the beginning of this, that he's sunning everyone. And he just concluded, Nangoba is lighty. Y'all are small boys to me. I can wake up and drop a hit. This is the dog. Dog. The weak Anati. Electronic Bushman to the world. Shout out to Tony Daimani for also holding it down. Let's go. That was a great deed by Tony Daimani. Please go listen to his album, his EP, Big Boy 2. Let's go.